Alright guys, here I am again with another little quick training here about how to create your own Google Classroom and of course add students to the classroom. So here you can see I'm here at classroom.google.com, excuse me, and yours may look a little bit different if you haven't had any classes yet, but you should see the little plus sign here on the front page of it. You can see I've got this little plus sign right here, so I'm going to go ahead and create a new class. So you can see I click on the plus sign. I can either join a class or create it. I'm going to click on create class, and so this is where I'm going to name it. I'm just going to call it how about we just say screen recording class, since that's what I'm doing right now. So screen recording class, I can put whatever I want in here. Let's say it's a technology class, and whatever rooms. Let's say room 31. All right. So I'm going to create my class. Alright, so now that we got the class created here, you can see it's called screen recording class. I can add students here by using this class code. If you look right here, there's a class code, but if you click on this little button that says display, it's going to make it a whole lot bigger. So maybe like the first day of class, when you want students to sign up for it, just put that on the board and say, okay, here's what you need to do. And so they'll do the same thing. They'll go to classroom.google.com, click on the little plus sign, and they're going to join a class, and they will put in this code to join your class. Real quickly, just a couple things about when you start your class. One thing that I would suggest doing is going into the settings here on this little gear box. And so when you go into those settings, one thing they got down here is who can post to the stream. All right, so right now it's got that students can post comments. I would suggest not doing that. I would only have it be that teacher can post comments because, well, honestly, I've had it in the past where students have basically, students are students. They're going to say things that are kind of goofy and dumb sometimes, and I've had some inappropriate comments sometimes on different, assignments that have been put there on the stream. So I'd put only teachers can post comments on the stream, and so I'm going to save that. And then once I've got that saved, then I'm going to go in here too, and I'm going to go ahead and change my theme. And so you can select a theme, or if you want, I'm going to click on this. You can upload a picture. So say you've got a picture that you want to be your theme. But remember, it's only going to be 800 by 200 pixels, so it's going to have to fit in this box here. So even though you got this big wide picture, you're only going to be able to get a little piece of it here in the heading of the class. But let's just say we want to change it here. Here you can see we've got all these different settings for, they have different ones that are already set here for, like, if we had, let's say, a geography class, or let's say, for instance, this one I had screencasting. So let's do something kind of with technology. So I'm going to put a little rocket here with a magnet. All right. So again, you can select your theme for your class. All right, so that's how to create your class, how to start it there, and then remember, to get people to join it, you can just click on that and show that code for students to be able to join the class. All right, thanks a lot.